Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. This week's collab was hosted by Judy from Judinka NailArt, and this is the beautiful collage she prepared. Stay tuned to the end to see all the individual manicures. As a base, I have started off with this gorgeous holographic nail polish from BeautyBigBang. It's number 008. I'll also be using the gold BeautyBigBang stamping polish, number 11. And I'll be using the BeautyBigBang plate XL-002, which was sent to me for review. I'll use this silver Morgan Taylor nail polish to fill in the image. This nail polish is called Dreaming of Gleaming. I picked up the image again using a clear stamper so that it was easier for you guys to see the image. Once the image is dry, we can stamp it directly onto the nail. I use my black BeautyBigBang stamping polish to stamp over the image one more time, and this is the way it turned out. I think it looks a lot more defined this way. After applying my top coat, this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Don't forget to check the description box where I'll leave links to everybody's videos.